So I'm just going to show you how I've been doing the cast off or the bind off. So you hold your cardigan up on your needle to the bone in the back of your neck, and you just measure it down to the length you want it. So you can make it a crop top to your hips, below your bottom, down to your knees. You can make it any length you like. And here's a bit of casting off that I've already done here. The important thing is to keep it quite loose. You don't want to pull this yarn so tight when you're doing it that you end up with a really tight, you've got your oblong shape, and instead of just having a nice long top, it starts going in like this at the top. And that's what used to happen to me when I was a teenager. So I'll show you how I've been doing this. So you've knit one stitch and it's on your right needle. You knit the next stitch. You take it off onto your right needle. You pick up that first stitch, and I'm just using my finger at the back to hold it. And then you slide that stitch off while you're trying to hold on to that stitch on the bottom. And then make sure you don't pull that too tight. Do that again. Just smooth that up. You knit that next stitch. So you've always got two on there. I just put my finger back at the back to hold it. I pick up that stitch. I pull that off while making sure I hold on to the other stitch there. When you're a beginner, it can feel really awkward. Do one more. You knit that next stitch. I'm just holding it at the back so I can get my needle in there. And then I'm making sure I pull that over while I don't lose that stitch at the back. It's a matter of practice that you end up with a nice loose cast off or bind off, that it's not ultra tight. And so when you've done that, you do your last stitch and cut your yarn so you've got quite a long tail, and you'll probably use that to sew your front to your back. So I hope you're finding these little steps and videos helpful, and then we'll start on the front, and I'm going to do a pattern on the front this time. Have a good day. Bye.